Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Chevy Corvette. So this is by Majorette and this is from their deluxe series. That's what I'm going to call it from now on. So that's how this used to came back then. So I bought this for $599, which is the MRP. And okay, let's unbox it. Okay, someone actually gave me a really neat idea. I actually missed that one on how to unbox this without damaging the card. But right now I really don't have that much patience to check the comments. But here is the card art. The card art looks absolutely gorgeous. I really like what Majorette is doing nowadays, when it comes to the card art, because it is not just in one single direction. Because the dark cars actually had a different direction, like it is facing the front side on our face, but this one is actually facing opposite, away from us. This looks really neat. I mean, uh, even the tires and everything, that is actually true to what they are actually giving us, instead of just putting the actual cars detailing there. Okay, so let me take everything out so that I can keep rest of the stuff away. Yeah, so here is the box and box art. That looks really cool. I really like this. So you can see the General Motors logo here, official stamping. Right, cool. That is a bit, bit cringe, but still it looks really good. Nothing inside. So I'm keeping this away. I don't want to waste any more time. So let's get into the casting now. So here is the car. Okay, out of the box, the casting looks really shiny. I mean, I love glittery castings, not shiny castings. There is a difference between both. But this one looked really stunning, so I bought it. It feels a little bit heavy, not too heavy, but a little bit heavy. And this is a chrome green that it looks really beautiful. And it has acrylic headlights. The Corvette logo looks really crisp and clean. And okay, so the rims on this one, that looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, it is not painted green all the way in. It is, I mean, they did it really neat. It looks really cool when we are looking at it. So you can see the fuel filler cap here. That looks really neat. So the body is metal. The spoiler is plastic, chassis is plastic, and it has rubber tires and plastic rims. And it has taillight detailing as well. You can see the Corvette detailing here. That also looks really great. And it has opening doors. So interior has little bit of detailing to it. And the doors opens really nice. I don't feel any struggle there. Okay, as you can see here, it has good detailing to it. It has good depth to the steering wheel and all. It looks really neat. So it has rear view mirrors as well. That looks good. The hood detailing looks really nice. So if you are able to get this casting code and get it, don't miss this one out. I originally kept it and went back and bought it. It has suspension as well. Let's weigh this casting now. 35 grams, not bad. Let's see how it rolls. Okay, it got stuck. I know the reason why, but still, even though if you have a wider track, this will roll good. So you can see the splitter here. That is the reason it is not moving forward on top of more than half the track. But apart from that, so it has a little bit of scratches here. I don't know how they're getting scratches inside those kind of bugs. That is the only thing which disappoints me, when it comes to Majorette. But rest everything they do it really good. So let's rate this casting now. Again, the paint scratch and everything, that is more specific to mine, so don't worry about that. But apart from that, again, I want you guys to tell me what you feel is missing in this casting, because whatever I require, it is in this casting. Headlight, tail light details, acrylic headlights, even it has rubber tires and the rims looks really great. I mean, the paint detailing and even the crispness of the logo, everything looks absolutely stunning. So it's a 10 by 10 casting overall. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.